Hello everyone, today we will make a Vanir mask from the anime Kono Subarashii Sekai Shukufuku or abbreviated Konosuba. Vanir is a secondary character in this anime, best friend with and former general of the army of demons. We will be making a mask in the Papier-mache technique. First we need to make a mask from plasticine. We mold the basic form of the mask. Plasticine can be softened if you put in warm water.
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the
Make the eyes and trim the shape.
Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another.
We begin to apply papier-mache. Cut or tear the paper into small pieces. I used the notebook sheet. Do not forget to loop the form with separator, which holds the mask see from the form. We need PVA glue. We put it on the mold with a brush, then apply a pieces of paper, and then again glaze with glue, so cover the entire form. Then make another layers, and then one more, so do about 15 layers.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day.
The last layer can be made from white sheet, so that later it would be easy. Leave it to dry. Remove the mask from the form.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me.
Crop excess.
They come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
From inside, I also applied a layer of papier-mache.
Baby, why do I love the way you are? We always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are? We always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do
we put a putty, I used acrylic on wood. We put a smile layer. As the putty dries, fill the mask with sandpaper.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts.
Apply another layer of putty.
Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I?
And again we clean it with sandpaper, so repeat it to the desired result.
Touch but never love the feeling.
We cover the mask with PVA glue, it will replace the primer. You need to make 2 layers. Begin painting. Cover the mask with white acrylic paint. Drop the pattern and start painting with black paint. Touch up the white parts where necessary. close our eyes with a grid. I used an abrasive mesh. One part of which was covered with white paint. We glue on the net softeners and elastic band for comfortable wearing. After that, the mask will be ready. The mask is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Put a like at this video and subscribe to the channel, as well as the bell to not miss the new video. Until soon.